In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Geico car insurance. To get started, the first thing you should do is gather your information before requesting a quote. This will make the process much faster and help you avoid delays. Have your full name, date of birth, address, and zip code ready. You'll also want your driver's license number, your vehicle identification number, if you have it available, and basic vehicle details like the year, make, and model. If you already have insurance, keep your current insurance information nearby as well. It's also helpful to know your estimated annual mileage and have information about any other drivers in your household, since that can affect your quote. Once you have everything ready, go to the official Geico website or open the Geico mobile app to request a free quote. During this part of the process, you'll be asked to enter personal information, vehicle details, your driving history, and the coverage limits and deductibles you want. Based on what you provide, Geico will generate a personalized quote for you. After that, take some time to choose your coverage carefully. You may see options such as liability coverage, collision coverage, comprehensive coverage, uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage, and medical payments or personal injury protection where available. You may also have the option to add roadside assistance or rental reimbursement. This is an important step because the coverage limits and deductibles you choose should fit both your budget and the level of protection you want. Next, check for available discounts. Geico may offer ways to lower your premium through discounts like multi-vehicle, multi-policy, good driver, good student, military, federal employee, defensive driving course, and vehicle safety equipment discounts. Before you move forward, make sure to review which discounts you may qualify for, since this can make a noticeable difference in your final price. Then review your quote carefully before buying. Look closely at the premium amount, deductibles, coverage limits, optional coverages, and any exclusions or policy terms. This step helps you confirm that the policy gives you the protection you need and that there are no surprises later. When you're satisfied with the quote, you can purchase your policy. Confirm that all of your information is correct. Choose your payment options such as monthly, semi-annual, or annual if available, and then submit your payment. Depending on your selection, your policy may begin right away or on a future effective date. Finally, once your purchase is complete, you'll receive your insurance documents. These typically include a digital insurance ID card, your full policy documents, and access to manage your policy through your online account or the Geico mobile app. And that's how to get Geico car insurance.